Um, Good morning. Welcome to this other tutorial for a search of eviction records and court records. So this is similar to the probate court search in that we're going to the mycase.indiana.gov website, and from here we're actually choosing case number 5, and we're also going to use our special character that means any number after that. We're going to choose all Odyssey courts, and the reason that we are going to do that because there's a lot of cases that occur in other counties that are surrounding the Marion County area that I want to take a look at. So this one's going to be a little bit longer of a search, so we're going to start just from a week's worth of data and then move our way up from there. So if you search this way, it prompts you, prove you're not a human. It's just making me go through this stuff right here to verify that I am a person, which is kind of weird. You just get used to it every once in a while. So as it's searching, it's compiling the data. There are some keywords that we're going to look for in this process. Alright, so the first thing that we're looking for is, let's see, eviction, small claims. Now there's no way that we can search specifically for small claims, which is, unfortunate on its own, so everything has to be manual. So as you see one of these, actually you see a lot of these going in Blackford Superior Court, Morgan County. We're going to check these and look at each one of them. And this is the defendant, this is the plaintiff. So what we're going to do is set it up the same way we did with the other properties in probate court. We're going to highlight and paste in our mailer template the mailing address, the city, state, and zip, which is Dunkirk, Indiana 47336, and then the owner, which is the plaintiff, is a Harold Nicholas, and we're going to add his name there, Nichols. Okay, and the owner address 4044 Young Drive, Red Key, Indiana 47373. Alright, and we're going to eventually send them a letter, and then we're going to go back, look at the next link, which looks like a small court claims eviction in Morgan County. We're going to do the same thing. The defendant has an address, the plaintiff has an address, and we're going to set both of those up. So we're going to use the address of the renter, which is 6005 Red Day Road in Martinsville, Indiana 46151. And we're going to use the name of the owner, who's the plaintiff. It's Valerie Adkins, first name, then last name, no commas in between. And then we're going to use that address, 6575 Hancock Ridge Road, and that's in Martinsville, Indiana 46151. And we're going to continue with such. We're going to keep searching through this list. Now, This one is a little bit short, but we're going to alternate between the 5 asterisks, and then we're going to use the 4 asterisk. So it pulls both Marion County and all the other counties that surround Indiana. They both alternate between the 4 and the 5 asterisk to do their searches. And I believe the 4 asterisk is going to bring you a much larger volume. So here's 121 as opposed to 1541. But yeah, there's a lot to search through, and it's going to take you some time to get through it and see. Nothing. All of these are going to actually have an eviction claim on it. So some of these you'll just skip. Well, all of these you'll skip, and then you just keep moving and moving into the next one, to the next one until you see it. But this is the process. So we're just going to get the name from this section. Say if this was one, you're just going to get the name of the name, well, just the address and the city and state of the defendant, and then we're going to go to the plaintiff and then get the name of the plaintiff, their address, and the city, state, and zip. That's it. And then we're just going to add those into these cells here as they're labeled, and that's all I need. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, thank you.